Welcome aboard, everyone. I am Gail Sabo, and I'm going to be your facilitator for this course. And I am looking forward to getting started with all of you as you start into your new college adventure. And this course is just that. It's a starter course, getting you started back into the college scene, helping you to familiarize yourself with the tools and the resources and the expectations that are set forth in front of you. I will be here to be your guide throughout the course. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm available to you via email. You can set up a time to meet with me by FaceTime or Zoom, or you can text me. I generally will respond to all of your responses within 24 hours, if not sooner. So again, please don't hesitate to reach out. I really am here to help you. I am a psychology major, and I have spent 28 years working in the human service field. So I bring a lot of experience to the table that I hope to impart with you and help you to get started on your next adventure as well. As we get started in the course, what I ask you to do is to please take a few minutes to review the course syllabus. Make sure that you review it in its entirety and that you have a good understanding of what the expectations are for this course. Also review the course shell. As you look at the course shell, some of you may be unfamiliar with online courses or things like that. Push the buttons, open them up, look around, see what's in there, look at what the assignments are going to be for the week, and make sure that you're starting to think about how am I going to fit each of these assignments in each week. Each week we will be covering a different module, so we will not be going backwards. So make sure that you're planning your time accordingly to complete all the assignments within that module in that week. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to having a fantastic course. Welcome aboard, everybody.